Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana, the language course aimed at independent learners, as well as business owners who want to train their staff, as well as teachers who need to equip themselves to teach this language. In these 15 to 20 minute lessons, we'll help you get a good grip on this language. Level 1 will give you a very good understanding of how this language works, and with daily practice, you will be fluent in basic conversations. So I'm sitting here with Mpho, and she's been working at the Northwest University.
Bokone Bophirima.
Okay, and she's been working there for the past 10 years.
Yes.
She is very skilled in languages. Amongst others, she speaks fluent Tswana, Sotho, Sepedi, Afrikaans, as well as English, obviously. And I'm very glad to have you here. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Ke a leboga.
And Mpho is going to help us, she's going to help me learn this new language of Tswana. And this is what makes this course a little different to the other courses out there, because I am the student and she is the teacher. And I have a lot of experience with teaching yourself a foreign language. I've taught myself to speak, read and write French and Spanish with the help of a wonderful online course called Coffee Break French and Coffee Break Spanish. That was actually the inspiration for this language course. And I've decided to take on the task of learning a beautiful South African language called Setswana. For level 1, we'll split up the lessons into 3 or 4 sections. The first section would be the basic lesson of the week. There will also be a grammar section, a tip of the week, as well as a cultural insert, and sometimes we'll have some bonus vocabulary, as well as vocabulary recall to speed up the learning process. Just go to www.20minutesetswana.co.za. So, Mpho, I would like to know how one would say, "Are you ready?"
Usiame.
Usiame. All right. So, Mpho, usiame?
Kisiame.
Let's do it.